191 species in genus Zephyranthes. Rain lilies, my Zephyranthes obsession. The first time I saw a Zephyranthes, I was captivated. It was a rainy afternoon in Hanoi, and these delicate blooms seemed to magically appear out of nowhere. Their vibrant colors punctuated the muted greens of the garden, like tiny jewels scattered across the damp earth. I was hooked. I needed to know more about these enchanting rain lilies, as they're often called. Since then, I've dedicated countless hours to understanding these fascinating plants. Zephyranthes, a genus belonging to the Amaryllidaceae family, are native to the tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas. They're known for their grass-like leaves and their vibrant, crocus-shaped flowers that bloom after a rainfall. This sudden appearance after a downpour has earned them the common names rain lily, fairy lily, and rainflower. A diverse genus. One of the things that fascinates me most about Zephyranthes is their incredible diversity. While they all share that characteristic ephemeral bloom, they come in a stunning array of colors and forms. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. But Zephyranthes are more than just beautiful flowers. They also hold cultural significance in many parts of the world. In some cultures, they are associated with purity and innocence, while in others, they are believed to bring good luck and prosperity. They've even been used in traditional medicine for their potential therapeutic properties. For me, Zephyranthes represent resilience and hope. Their ability to burst into bloom after a period of dormancy is a reminder that even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way to flourish. They teach me to appreciate the beauty in the everyday and to find joy in the simplest things. My Zephyranthes journey. My fascination with Zephyranthes has led me on a journey of discovery. I've spent hours poring over botanical books, scouring online forums, and even venturing out into the wild to observe these plants in their natural habitat. I've learned about their unique biology, their complex taxonomy, and their fascinating ethnobotanical uses. But more than that, I've learned to appreciate the interconnectedness of life. I've seen how these delicate flowers play a role in the larger ecosystem, providing nectar for pollinators and contributing to the biodiversity of their environment. I've come to understand that even the smallest organism can have a profound impact on the world around it. My journey with Zephyranthes is far from over. I'm constantly learning new things about these fascinating plants, and I'm always eager to share my knowledge with others. I believe that everyone can find something to appreciate in the simple beauty of a rain lily. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or simply someone who enjoys the wonders of nature, I encourage you to take a closer look at these enchanting blooms. You might just be surprised at what you discover.